Hi, and welcome to another episode of Pet Anything. I'm your host, Mike Crockett, and I'm doing something a little different this time. This time I have, you remember Crash, my African Grey, who has a feather plucking issue. Well, I have created a new toy for her. I don't think it'll completely take away the feather plucking because it really is just habit. I see her playing with toys that she likes, taking a break to pluck feathers, and then going back to playing. But hopefully this gives her another reason not to pluck and something else to do instead. This is a toy that I've invented, and I call it the Phone Book Chew Toy. And as you can see, she is loving it. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you again next time right here on Pet Anything.